Hello, guys. We are here again. We are doing Ghana inner weaving all back with color 30 attachments, 33 attachments lush products. We are using one big attach to do the style for her. As you can see, the way we are doing the hair, you are welcome to my channel today. My name is Ella Johnson. As you can see, the way we started with the hair, the picking, if you look at the mat of the hair, you will discover that we are taking the attach from the back, and we don't start making of hair with attachments, because if you start the making of the attachment with hair, picking of the hair with attachments, you will not get it right. It will pull the customer's hair. Before the hair will get to 1 week, 2 weeks, the front hair is already pulling. But when you start with the customer hair, the hair remain strong. It won't affect the front hair. So I promised the last time that I will be showing us how to do the hair from the beginning to the end. So this is the, though I did not start this one on time, but this is almost at the finishing aspect of it, but all the same. So I don't know, but my camera woman is not just keeping her hair in one place. So if you look at this hair, now, the picking, see this last one, the picking of is here. We started it with her hair, the customer hair, not attachment. That is what I'm trying to correct. You see, when you start it with the customer's hair, the hair will come out neat and painless, and then it won't pull. There's some that you will do with attachments, the customer will have boils and bumps around the hair and all that. This won't happen in this aspect. It will only come out more finer, and instead of the hair pulling, no one will be growing out, because you didn't stress the front hair. The front hair is safe, your customer's front hair. And then see, the taking of attachment is from the back, not from the front. That is the easiest way for the inner weaving. You don't take it from the front and start throwing it left and right. This is the easiest way to do it. Always take your attachment from the back, you see, and it's the perfect way, and it will come out neat, very very neat and fine. As you can see, the customer is already enjoying her hair. She's not complaining. Nothing like complaining on her hair that I don't like it or this and that. She just there. Please, my dear subscribers, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe, so that whenever we post a new video, you will be the first to know. It will come to your notification that we have posted a new one, because I promise that as from now henceforth, I will be dropping the update on how to pick the hair and all that. I will be explaining it instead of always posting the already made hair. I will follow it up from the beginning to the end. You see, it's going to be twisting. Now we'll twist the hair. You see, so this is it. After this twisting, the last one, the hair is already entered water, but before putting it inside hot water, we trim the hair. So we don't use fire, we use scissors to trim the hair. If you use fire, it will be gummy and it will be choking the carrier. So you need to use scissors. And after adding it inside hot water, you use your mousse and oil sheen to arrange the hair properly. Enough mousse and oil sheen. This is it. That's it. And she's enjoying her hair. Thank you all for my return subscribers. I really appreciate you guys, and I think I said a big thank you for you all to always being here for us. We appreciate you guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million times, because we cannot do it without you guys. Please always like our video, comment, share. If you have any question, throw it out. I'm always here. I promise I will answer your question. Please. Thank you for being there. As you can see, the hair is the same size. The same size, the same tightener. You see? The hair is giving. It's very nice. Very, very good looking hair. Twisting. This is it. I thank you all for being here for us. Please subscribe to our channel. We appreciate it if you can do that for us. Thanks a million times. Wow. See the beauty of the hair. Wow, this is nice. Nice. Very nice. And the hair is very dry. The twisting is dry one. It's not the loose one. The loose one is always good with kinky. Attachments should be dry and tight like this so that it will last for the owner. This is it. It came out very, very fine and beautiful. Wow. I really love this hair. Simple but unique. You can take it to office, anywhere. It can go with native, office wear, anything. Anyhow you want to rock the hair, you're good to go. Visiting and all that. Thank you guys. We love you guys. We appreciate all your effort of being there for us. We say thank you. Wow. Thank you. Okay. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, and share. Please comment. Thank you guys. Thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up so that you will be the first to know. Thank you guys. We appreciate you guys. Smash the red button, please. Give it a thumbs up. Thanks a million times. Wow. All right. Thank you. If you really want to come and make your hair in our place, notify me. I will direct you. Thank you. Bye. We love you all. Thanks.